Kawadhi mbele en ni jochiw thieth e bwo mabula mar Kenya Union of Clinical Officers ochiwo notice mar ng'anyo mar ndalo 21 makaluwore gi rem ma piny owacho keto e tim winjruok mar dok e tich ma higa 2024. Kaluwore gi tenda KUCO, piny owacho pok ochopo singo mar chwalo e rang'iny mamalo moko kuom jochiw thieth kaka winjore kod ndiko e tich e yo mongirore. Jakom KUCO Peterson Wachira wacho ni nyaka tim kare mar chopo winjruok mane gichwe kogno mar ni gisebedo ka gichwalo ywak margi, ywak ma piny owacho ok winj.
Matabibu, viva! 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 And indeed, I want to inform Kenyans that it is never our wish to disrupt services, to down our tools. It is now evidently clear that CS Duale and his principal secretaries, that the leadership of the Council of Governors and the governors are the ones who are desirous of seeing a strike in the health sector. And that is why we are saying that we have reached a point that the only other option we have is to go on a strike. And as the GS will be saying, in the next 21 days, if then this does not happen, all clinical officers across all the 47 counties and the national government and all the referral hospitals will be downing tools because our rights have been contravened.
Even the 21 days is a clear demonstration of our goodwill, that we love our people, we love our work, we want it to be done the way it is. We cannot be meeting our end of bargain, then the employer always continues tapping us on the back.